Hello everyone, my name is Muhammad Hanif Negara. Today I will explain about simple present and I will give my opinion about President Prabowo Subianto. But first, I will explain about simple present. What is simple present? For example, like sunrise in the east, she drinks coffee every morning. They do not like vegetables. Do you speak English? The explanation is simple present is a verb that is usually used to talk about something that is general, always happens regularly, and states a general truth. Verb forms. Simple present form verbs have two forms, base verb and verb plus s. When we use the simple present verb, we must look at the subject of the sentence. The subject can be pronouns like they, I, you, we, he, she, it, or the subject can be nouns like people, things, and place. Subject pronouns. Base verb. From the base verb group, it will be usually start with I, you, we, they. For example, like I walk to school every day. You always drink coffee. We sometimes eat dessert. They study every night. They study every night. And from group of S, the days usually start begin with he, she, it. From example, like he reads the newspaper on the weekend. She takes the bus to work in the morning. It sleeps on the couch every day. From subject nouns, from this group we have plural nouns ending in s. For example, like the students take the bus to school. My parents drinks coffee every morning. From verb plus s group we have first singular noun. Singular noun means referring to one subject only. For example, like the student walks to school every day. My dog always sleeps on my bed. And the second from group verb S is non-countable nouns. Means the subject cannot be counted or is uncountable. For example, like snow falls from the sky in the winter. My hairs grow quickly. Next, we go to negative form from simple tense. To make again a negative sense in present simple tense, you must use doesn't or doesn't. But exception if a negative sentence use to be or a modal verb like can, could, may, must, shall, it, ends. For example, from plus we have they speak English. To negative that will be they doesn't speak English. For explanation is if you know like they know speak English is wrong. So we doesn't use no. We use doesn't. Right. Next we subject pronoun first. If we use if you we they, that will be like this: I speak English. To negative will be I doesn't speak English. Next, we speak English. To negative, we doesn't speak English. Next, if we use he, she, it, that will be he speaks English. To he doesn't speak English. Or oh, the explanation. Why is the S in speak and the speak to negative is different because the person verb lost the final S in negative sentence. The next example is she speaks French and the negative form is she doesn't speak French. Next, two subject nouns. The subject noun first we have plural nouns. If we use the plural nouns subject, that will be like the students read books in the library. To the students doesn't read books in the library. Or cats like to chase mice. Mice is like mouse. To cats doesn't like to chase mice. Next, subject nouns. From subject nouns, first we have singular noun. If you use singular nouns, the form negative is like this: the doctor works at the hospital. To negative is the doctor doesn't work at the hospital. Or my mother drinks coffee every morning. To my mother doesn't drink coffee every morning. Next, the second from non-count noun. If you use count non-count, that will be like this. The example is the water flow down the river. To negative like the water doesn't flow down the river. From example again, my money brings happiness. To money doesn't bring happiness. Next, the question form. The question form was the explanation is to make a question in present simple tense you must use do or does. You use do or does. Exception. This exception is like the first form is negative form. We can see in this. They are same like you can see the explanation is same. If you use negative form or question form, the exception is same. To be or a modal form is exam. Next, the question from. For example, from question form is like this: you speak English. To do you speak English? Next we got the subject pronouns. If you use I IUVT from the subject, that will be like this. You speak English. To do you speak English? Or you live in Spain. To do you live in Spain? Next, if you use he, she, it, that will be like he speaks English. To does he speak English? Or she speaks German. To does she speak German? Next is from subject nouns. First we have if you use plural nouns, that will be like this. The students study English every day. The question form is like this. Do the students study English every day? The second example is the children play in the park. To does the children play in the park? Subject nouns. If you use singular noun, that will be like this. For example, like the cat sleeps on the bed. To does the cat sleep on the bed? The explanation 2 is the dog does not bark loudly. To does the dog bark loudly? Next, we go to non-pronoun. If you use this, that form is like this. For example, the milk tastes delicious. To does the milk taste delicious? The explanation 2 is the rice cooks quickly. To does the rice cook quickly? If you notice this, why the milk tastes from the subject S, that S is gone like this. That because if you use the subject noun, if you use the question form or negative form, that will be that verb will change to base form. Next, we explain about to be and a modal verb in simple present. To be and modal verb are not subject pronouns or nouns. To be and modal verb are auxiliary verbs. To be and modal verbs, for example, like this, and regular pronoun and nouns. That you will be see the different about to this verb. First, we have she is baking a cake from to be and modal verb, and she can bake a cake. And from regular pronoun and nouns, we have she bakes a cake and she bakes a cakes. Explanation about to be. To be are form. To be has three forms, namely I am, is, and are. To be functions to express the extension, condition, or identity of the subject. From example, like this. She is a doctor. they are happy. Next is negative form and question of to be. First, he is a doctor. He is not a doctor. The second explanation is they are happy, and the negative that will be they are not happy. And the subject and the question form is the explanation like this. She is a chef. To is she a chef? And the second explanation is they are angry. To are they angry? Modal verb. The explanation about modal verb is modal verb are auxiliary verb before the verb. Modal verb are usually like can, could, might, should, and terrorist. Modal verbs are always followed by the main verb in the base form. The formula is subject plus modal verb plus base verb. For example, he can speak French. You should study harder. And this negative form and modal verb questions. The formula from the negative is subject plus modal verb plus not plus base verb. The example is first, she can speak English. Two, she cannot speak English. The second explanation is you should study harder. Two, you should not study harder. And the formula, if you use the question form, the example is first, he can speak Indonesian. Two, can he speak Indonesian? And the explanation is example is you should work harder. Two, should you work harder? And that's all my presentation about simple tension. Thank you very much, and now I will go to giving my opinion about President Prabowo. Hello, today from now I will give my opinion about President Prabowo. In my opinion, our new president for the 2024 to 2029 period, namely President Prabowo Subianto, is a person who is patriotic, firm, and uphold justice. From 16 days after he took office, we can see some of the result of his performance through the latest news, such as the arrest of several corruptors from several ministers, the arrest of online gambling site security in Komdigi, the number of officials being investigated, and other through the ministers he chose. From here, we can note that he prioritizes his citizens over himself. but we must continue to look ahead to whether there is a hidden reason for him to do this, or if is it purely to improve this country and advance it. As we can know, he has a track record where he is a former Kopassus and a former Mawar team where he was involved in the kidnapping and disappearance of activists in 1998 1991. Nggak bisa baca, bisa dipotong.
998. 1998. 1998.
1998. Now I will give my opinion about President Prabowo. In my opinion, our new president from the 2024 to 2029 period, namely President Prabowo Subianto, is a new person who is patriotic, firm, and uphold justice. From 16 days after he took office, we can see some of result of his performance throughout the last news, such as the arrest of several corruptors from several ministers, the arrest of online gambling site security in Kemdigi, the number of officials being investigated, and other throughout the minister he chose. From here we can note that he prioritizes his citizen over himself, but we must continue to look ahead to whether there is a hidden reason for him to do this, or if is it purely to improve this country and advance it. As we can know, he has a track record where he is a former Kopassus and a former Mawar team where he was involved in the kidnapping and disappear and disappearance. Today, now I will give my opinion about President Prabowo. In my opinion, our new president from the 2024 to 2029 period, namely President Prabowo Subianto, is a person who is patriotic, firm, and uphold justice. From the 16th day after he took office, we can see some of the results of his performance throughout the last news, such as the arrest of several corruptors from several ministers, the arrest of online gambling site security in Kemdigi, the number of officials being investigated, and other throughout the minister he chose. From here we can note that he prioritizes his citizen over himself, but We must continue to look ahead to whatever there is a hidden reason from him to do this, or if is it purely to improve this country and advance it. As we can know, he has a track record where he is a former Kopassus and a former Mawar team where he was involved in the kidnapping and disappear of activity in 1998. And this and this is my overall opinion. In short, we can know that he is a good person and he is a good figure to be the current leader of this country. And that's all about the presentation. What my topic I just, and thank you.